Have you heard of cloud bread? Well, it's all over TikTok. It's a fluffy bread that everyone on TikTok is making right now. I've seen it several different color variations, and most of the videos are of people tearing it off to reveal the fluffy inside, like what I'm doing right now. Dear Boulders, here's my dreamy cloud bread recipe. This cloud bread recipe is so easy. It's just egg whites, cornstarch, and a little bit of sugar. All whip it up, then bake. The cloud bread recipe that I've seen in TikTok is made into loaf and looks so very airy and light. After seeing it, I had to try it for myself. So I open up my fridge, grab a couple of eggs, get a cornstarch and sugar, and I'm finally making it. The secret to making this airy cloud bread is so simple. You have to whip the egg whites until stiff peaks form. You can either use electric hand mixer, stand mixer, or even hand whisk. But I think hand whisk will take you forever and your arm will probably fall off. So I highly recommend the electric mixer. It's easier and it's more convenient. Actually, you can also add some flavorings like vanilla or any food coloring to make it more colorful and lovely. I have divided it into two batch with some blue and red color because it's so much beautiful and lovely. We're almost done. I'm just forming it like a band, and then I'm gonna bake it in 150 degrees preheated oven for at least 20 to 25 minutes. Look at that. We are ready. Here's the most awaited part. Let's see the texture. Look at that. It's so soft and fluffy. Thank you for watching, everyone. This is Bold Cook TV signing off for now and saying TikTok, TikTok. Bye bye.